The Sony BrightEra VPL-FHZ85 is a professional-grade projector that brings incredible clarity, brightness, and reliability to any environment. Built for large venues, corporate spaces, and educational facilities, this projector combines advanced technology with long-lasting performance. Every detail has been optimized to deliver a sharp, vibrant image that performs consistently over time. At the heart of the VPL-FHZ85 is Sony's 3 LCD laser technology, capable of producing an impressive 7,300 lumens of brightness. This ensures that images remain vivid and detailed even in well-lit rooms. The projector's BrightEra technology further enhances color accuracy and contrast, giving visuals a natural, true-to-life look that makes presentations, videos, and graphics stand out. The native resolution is WUXGA 1920 by 1200 pixels, offering a wider image area than standard Full HD. This extra horizontal space is ideal for complex data, detailed charts, and professional presentations. It also supports full 1080p content, ensuring smooth playback for video, movies, and interactive media. Installation flexibility is one of the strongest points of this projector. It supports both front and ceiling mounts, making it suitable for virtually any room layout. Adjustable lens shift, zoom, and focus allow precise image alignment without distortion. Whether it's a lecture hall, auditorium, or corporate meeting room, setup is efficient and precise. Durability is another highlight. The laser light source is rated for up to 20,000 hours in normal mode and up to 30,000 hours in economy mode. This reduces the need for frequent maintenance, offering years of reliable performance. The projector is designed for professionals who require a device that consistently performs at a high level without interruptions. The image quality is exceptional. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and whites remain bright, delivering a natural and dynamic picture. Sony's advanced processing technology, including reality creation and contrast enhancer, refines every frame for optimal sharpness and clarity. Large images remain crisp across the screen, which is essential for high-stakes presentations or cinematic experiences. Connectivity is versatile, featuring HDMI, DVI, and USB inputs. This makes it easy to integrate into existing setups, whether switching between multiple devices or connecting new hardware. The projector handles signal processing seamlessly, maintaining high-quality visuals regardless of the source. Sony has also focused on noise reduction and energy efficiency. The cooling system keeps the projector quiet, even during high-performance operation, allowing presentations or video screenings to proceed without distraction. At the same time, the projector manages power consumption intelligently, balancing performance and efficiency. The VPL-FHZ85's design is sleek and professional. The black finish allows it to blend into modern spaces without drawing attention, while the overall build quality reflects Sony's commitment to long-term reliability. It's a projector designed to meet the demands of professionals who need consistent, high-quality output in any environment. For large-scale presentations, corporate events, educational settings, or even immersive home setups, the Sony BrightEra VPL-FHZ85 offers unmatched performance. It combines durability, brightness, and professional-grade image quality in a single device. The flexible installation options, high brightness, and long-lasting laser light source make it a smart investment for anyone serious about projection. With all these features, the VPL-FHZ85 isn't just a projector. It's a long-term visual solution for environments where quality and reliability are non-negotiable. For those interested in purchasing the Sony BrightEra VPL-FHZ85 3 LCD projector, 1610, ceiling mountable, black 1920 by 1200 front, ceiling 1080p, 20,000 hour normal mode, 30,000 hour economy mode, WUXGA 7,300 lumens, HDMI, DVI USB. Check the link provided in the description for the latest pricing and availability.